AJ Productions on the beat.
Hi, my name is Jerome and you're live on the Sport on Clock Africa TV. And what's your name?
I'm Grace.
Grace, are you a student of the University of Ibadan?
I just finished from University of Ibadan.
Okay, what course?
Statistics.
Statistics. You must be very, very calculative.
Well, if you say so.
All right. So I'll be asking you a couple of questions and you just give me straight answers, all right?
Yeah, no problem.
All right. So question number one, what's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge and a refrigerator. A fridge is set to cool. What's it called?
Are you asking me?
Cool meals or fruits or something edible. But refrigerator means to just freeze it, like make it ice.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge is the set where you can put things, and the refrigerator is part of the compartment of the fridge.
Good. Very good.
Quick one, what's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
They are the same.
They are the same thing. Are you sure?
I think so.
Lie. No. Not now. Not ever.
They are the same, just a slight difference. I think, yeah, they are the same.
Hi, sign.
You know, sometimes why they talk to you, I go to regret how they talk to human being.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge, we use fridge to get things cold, to preserve. And the same thing as a refrigerator.
What will you say?
A refrigerator.
No idea.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge and a refrigerator.
Hey.
A refrigerator is, let me say, it's a cooling instrument.
Hey.
So it is used to cool and to cool some let me say, I can't.
It's okay.
How about a fridge and a freezer?
Well, there is a particular part of the fridge, kind of, that freezes whatever it is you are putting into it. So a freezer kind of solidifies the liquid, I believe.
What is the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge?
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Really?
A fridge and a refrigerator.
What did you say?
A fridge and a refrigerator are the same.
You are so lucky.
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge and I think it's the same thing.
Are you sure?
Is there a difference?
Are you asking me?
Okay, what's the difference between a fridge and a freezer?
Yes, the difference is, the level of the cooling. Fridge is more, when you cool.
No, you don't get to explain. Bah.
Well, a fridge is a machine that is very
Small.
a fridge is very small.
No.
While a refrigerator is a big machine.
Hey! My God.
Like it's not comparable. You cannot compare.
Shut up!
What's the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge and
What will you say?
a fridge and is a kind of
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
that can give cold, that can make.
Hey!
So sir, please, what is the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
A fridge is a cooling device that which you put your things and for preservation of goods of some things. But air condition.
Please, what is the difference between a fridge and a refrigerator?
But air condition.
Thunder fire you there.
Oh, refrigerator.
Are you well?
Seriously, I don't know. I'm confused.
Wait, what's the difference between a fridge and a freezer? At least you should know that one. Everybody knows that one.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
A freezer.
Yes.
No, let me just put it this way. A freezer, right? Freezer freeze.
What did you say?
Freezer freeze.
Freezer and fridge. I think the freezer is those short and fridge they do put at home. I those one that is Nigerian beer or wherever they do distribute.
What? Are you male or female?
I'm a male.
He's cute.
I know he is.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm a male.
So what's your gender?
My gender?
Yes.
I'm a male.
You think?
What's your sex?
Sex? I'm a male.
Nah. Oh yeah. I think you're wrong.
Are you male or female?
Obviously, I'm a female.
Really?
What's your gender?
Female.
What's your sex?
Female.
So are you a male or female?
I'm a male.
You're a male?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
What's your gender? What's your gender?
Male, masculine.
Ebuka.
Masculine?
Yeah. That's my name.
Okay, what's your sex?
I'm a male.
Your sex is male?
Masculine.
Are you male or female?
Female.
Female?
Yes.
So what's your gender?
Female.
What's your sex?
Female.
Are you male or female?
I'm a female.
Male.
What's your gender?
Female.
Male.
What's your sex?
Female.
Male, of course.
Are you male or female?
I'm a female for crying out loud.
Come on, I'm a female.
What's your gender?
Female.
Female.
What's your sex?
Female.
Female.
All right.
What up, my people? My name is Oyetunde Oloyede, popularly known as Mr. Tabs Official.
My name is Elysian Judge.
My name is Hannah. My name is Fisayo. It's Precious Itunu. My name is Regan.
My name is Shio.
You're watching On The Spot.
On the spot.
On the spot. On the spot.
On the spot.
On the spot.
On Clock Africa TV.
On Clock Africa.
Stay tuned.
Keep watching.